Welcome to another episode of Goodbye on City TV. My name is Jessica Ayorkor Aryee, and today the show will take an interesting turn. We are going to show you how prices of goods you buy on a daily basis have evolved within the third quarter of the year. These months are July, August, and September. Now, within these 3 months, the team visited 12 markets. We were at Makola Market, Dome Market, La Market, Tema Community 1 Market, Anyal Market, Tema Station, Kaswa Old Market, Atomic Down Street Market, Ashaiman Market, La Paz Community Market, Odona Market, and Nema Market. In all these markets, though, we featured foodstuff such as grains, including maize, beans, gari, groundnut, millet, and others. Vegetables, including cabbage, carrot, lettuce, green pepper, green beans, cauliflower, and some other necessary foodstuff such as tomatoes, onions, pepper, smoked fish, salt, as well as various meats. Now let's visit some of the markets which had the same prices of foodstuff across board. Those beans no 4 types. Then the henna church and the bono.
Me wo Lagos wo. Eno olonka ye 180.
18 cedis.
18 cedi.
Na wa chiche wa hana yesen.
Ye ma chiche wa hana me wo bi 2 cedi.
Sana me pa che no.
Me wo ebi wo ho 3 cedi. Walwal no me chiche ni 3 cedi. Wana me wo Togo wo ho. Ma chiche ni 2 cedi. Wana me wo Lagos ma chiche ni 3 cedi. Ana me wo Niger beans. Eno so ma chiche ni 2 cedi.
You ntene ye fi wa ye background at no so. Ne bono.
Nkati ene mi wo mi chiche ni 3 cedi.
Mbio na wo so wo gari no so anything.
Gari ni mi chiche ni gari mi chiche. Gari ni mi wo America aya mi di susu. Mi America ni 6 cedi.
Okay, I say ne bo aba from mo.
Sutama ekoso. Sutama eba from at mi ton 5 cedi. Ekoso abi mi ton 7 cedi, abi mi ton 6 cedi. We ebro ni se ani ye 6 cedi.
Nkrumanu we nu ya adandia we ya labadia adandia no m de ba mu makama ya 14 50 pesos. Yes, you come on 10 50 pesos. Labado dia ndia o be kama dia omo to me kan se na dan be kama ye be kasa unsa we nu omo to ma ya 650 pesos.
One kasa no to on saying
Me to 650 pesos.
Let us a wo boka
Na boka.
So obi peso beto ebia basket full of nkumana and all the man is saying
Nke ba le 20 Ghana.
Cabbage mai. Eti de son pa na ton ba ko 7 cedis. Ye ton bi 5 cedis. And ye ton bi 4. Ba ke to e won pa last price e 3 cedis. E say cabbage ni ho. Akumba e wo ho ye ton bi 1 cedi. E bi ye 2 cedi. That type ke se na ye 2. Me and some 5. And I get one year 1 cedi, be 5 cedis. You were green pepper, say green pepper and sunny. The green pepper and a ton and send 2 cedis. By a body and a ton of brossa. Carloton so, ye be me and send 2 cedi, be a 4 2 cedi. Ya waka say will be a 5 cedis. And I want imported wine. Yes, you're parking that I know you're 10 cedis.
Mako saying.
I know they are only waiting for 1 kilo. Kilo near 10 cedi. And cauliflower 5 cedi. 7 cedi. And a broccoli so. Broccoli and a one day time. Cauliflower and 7 cedis. And a over black beauty no more squash and any other 2 cedi and sub 5. Beetroot so a ton of 5 cedis. Obi pay 2 cedi to me booby man be on pedodo. And it will be true to so.
And our green beans name.
Yes, and 2 cedi, 1 cedi, 5 cedis. I know their quantity I open. And yeah, demand. Potato my 5 cedis. By race, I can see any bam there. May I 10 cedis.
Nketewa no say 4 ne woman na.
4 be a 5 depending the sizes.
Ya wa mensa 2 cedi and ya wa baako 1 cedi.
Mensa ne nketewa.
Nketewa na nkese ne baako ya 1 cedi.
Nti efe no so Ayorkor lettuce.
Me pa ocho me wa lettuce no baako ya 2 cedi mensa 5. Kokuma baako ya 2 cedi mensa 5. Ana cabbage so ya wa 5 cedi, 3 cedi, 4 cedi. Obia ne price. Ya wa kese ya wa kitwa wo honom. Ana carrot so wo honom. Ya wa nkese no baako 1 cedi. Ana wa nkitwa no mensa 2 cedi. Ba auto 5 cedi a ebetima ma 6.
Na spring onions ne.
Ya chichiri ne 5 cedi. 1 cedi wo, 2 cedi wo.
Shrinks. When 1 cup near 20 cedis, half cup near 10 cedis, a long can near 100 Ghana. Pacha mokonu sumo 2 cedis, me were 5 cedis, me were 10 cedis, a long can near 40 cedis, a long half near 20 cedis. Where monk on the powdered one, honey 5 cedis, me were 10 cedis. We were 20 cedis. Cap no so. Powdered one cap near 30 cedis. A long half near 100 Ghana. A long near 200 Ghana. And a fish powder no so. Me were 20 cedis. Only the powdered one a long near 70 Ghana. Half a long near 30 cedis.
Na raw now and only 1 year into powdered form.
Raw no long near 40 cedis. Long half near 20 cedis. But near season near a long can. And I am my boy being so 5 cedis.
My son who a pepper, meko, dry one.
But no long near 20 cedis.
Where they?
Where above it. Pacha so long can hear 20 cedis. Nanka first no, yet to meet Tom 10 cedis, 120. By say I ain't now. Into your moon and into money bono, it was so.
Sana, Namwe, the same thing. Bakono, I know.
Ebumu freno, Anofia. Ebumu su freno, Odoyi. Ononsia the yashito. It's me the young quine. On say there was she to my head the pinty. Nebuon so I was listening. Your friend is saying in Namu.
In the bonnet saying.
On 1 cup here 15 cedis, or long kaye 80 cedis.
And no Nayanyamo.
Pacha, you and I am no caps need to know 60 cedis.
Beans no, or long can here 14 cedis. Cup here 2 cedis 50 pesos. In Katia and so long can here 15 cedis. And then so carp in 2 cedi 50 pesos. And a bruno, or long can here 5 cedi.
Now millet no sir.
Millet and so long can here 6 cedi 50 pesos. Carp in here 1.5.
There him be on our own kind.
So yeah, and so long can here 7 cedi. Carp here 2 cedi.
We take a short break here. When Goodbye returns, we will find out other things you need to know. Now, surprisingly, within the same quarter, prices of some foodstuffs saw a change. While some shot up, others like tomatoes saw a decline in price as it was in abundance. Let's take a look. What is she saying?
30 cedis and a 20. And
that's near there.
Paint rubber and a concono, so you 20 cedis.
Now, what she show?
It's 1 year 10 cedis.
Now, how about now? What she saying? Ketwa, what bobo and no honor? 2
cedis.
I know 2 cedis. So, Makuma for 2 cedis.
You bought 2 cedis, 5 cedis. You bowl or 10 cedis. Your bucket 20 cedis.
See, I don't know about perform.
A season.
Oh, okay.
A season. A tomeba. Yatisumaya. Not Yashani 20 ni 15. A co highest in Swa, you want 40 ni 45 ni 50.
How long no remain 20 cedis?
Oh, see ano ni season August. July, August. Na ntosi wo ho. Itu anu echi no na ne bo ayede.
Cabbage no there will be 2 seed. There will be 3 seed. There will be 4 seed.
What seed in like kesia pa no? Yente so.
There.
Ne bo ano.
No okay, no yet me de ma bia me ensa 10 seed.
Cauliflower ne so.
Cauliflower ne so no. Yet me cotton bia 4 seed and near the abeje 5 seed. She said me dey say me cotton 5 seed. Until me dey 6 seed.
Na ketwa ne
dem dey get 4 seed. And a green pepper. Green pepper ye ne ba ko 1 seed. And a me ensa 2 seed. Green pepper no ne boy di. Omu twa wo basket ni. Be a basket half 100 cedis. Inti so we enyi ne ba ko ana me ensa 2 a enso. Inti na ma ye yi ne sa. And a spring onion. And the ne boy nshada anya den sa. Inti ye say 50 pesos 1 cedi. Ya ubeto bia ye betimi amana. Carrot nso yetimi yemi ensa 1 cedi. E bia 9 2 cedi. Ene ne no nso de se na open bia yetimi yema. Potatoes no. Potatoes ne de obi anim sa brofo potatoes de ne boye din. Nti yakoto a ya chechere ne 5 cedi. Ena 10 cedi.
Miensa 5 cedi.
E bia miensa 5 yetimi chechere bi kura 5 10 cedi. Ne boye din.
Na
beetroot no so ya chechere no 5 cedi 3 cedi and 2 cedi say cucumber no say there ne bo ne wo form kakra say will be miensa 2 cedi ya wo ba ko 1 cedi ya wo bi a 9 kra 9 ni num 5 cedi ya wo miensa 2 cedi ba ko 1 cedi ya kese kama.
Oh, entosu no nansin na ye nti no me fan say ye bi wa be 10 2 cedi ana but ene de ye koye nya bi nti ene bo no wo so kakra
be sen
ene de no at least 7 ana say 8
2 cedis na moye olonka mo show I say bucket white no
bucket in first de na 20 by ndra no asana mekan na ye nti na ye de je 12 cedi ni 13 by neno e bi ni ho nti esan ko 20
from 12 cedis to 20 cedis from 12 cedis to 20 cedis enra na ene ya
e ma hyehyɛ no paint rubber no 14 cedis
na ne bo asan ko fomo
ne bo akosoro
na chese e koso ano no ana se enche ne bo mbesan ba fom
e ma fom se beba fom dia na gi kumase dia aba se sia no adantos ni eton.
Yo yenko eyi no tin tomato eyi na esi eche wono
anti tomatoes no nso entosi wo ho no e ma no ni ehwie no 14 ene e deje 100 sesia no ya deje e bag kese no ya deje ni ya deje 5 sesia de ya deje 70
it is 7 cedis 14 tomato no okay yenko sana wa hyehyɛ no wo e ho
hyehyɛ no nso
yes saying
and also 3 cedis
sana we bobo ho no 3 cedis okay na o eche ho na wo kan tem
also 2 cedi aha 1 cedi
Holland na na eno no taste nice nti ni boarding kakra fani say auto cutting na Holland is a meet me the man 110 cedis me wo US nso a meet me the man 100 cedis nti no me church no mu
na Canada de no
Canada nso de no eno so 105 and also any Holland ni na the same because omunya mo product they are very nice
yeah narrow it down to say bia wo ye kilo ne on
kilos no so no me weigh 1 kilo no for Holland no hard no 13 cedis a kilo and a soft no 12 cedi a kilo the US no so there no hard no met me the amount 12 cedis a kilo and a soft no 11 cedis a kilo
for just the thighs
so now wings no so different price and also 1 kilo near 14 cedis
for Holland
no
na others no 13
cedis met me win for other products
and a back no is the same
back no kilo near 8 cedis for Holland no another one so we 7 cedis a kilo US there and Canada there met me that 7 cedis here
And I walk as o sign o ye my dear, and I'm being say.
No ye nintwe ye my dear. Then ye no ye tawo no kwa. Tawo no kwa.
I don't know what did you say.
I know ye the kilo need 14 cedis a kilo. Yeah.
And all sign of fish, different types of fish.
No red fish, me wo ama fish. Me sanso wo salmon. Me sanso wo like pala, jase, emule. Ni nyina bi wo ho.
Yeah, kind of suitable.
No so salmon no. A foreign one. Ya na ye local one ne wo Abidjan. Abidjan na ye fine. Nti no ya na for pen. And no kilo ni say the 15 cedis a kilo. Yeah, na local no the 13 cedis a kilo. And a fish no pala no so it me the ketwa no. I know 16 plus a kilo near the 10 cedis. And I got 20 plus for 12 cedis. And I got 25 plus for 13 cedi a kilo.
Size difference is size na.
And internet make sure 16 plus, 20 plus, and 25 plus. Red fish and also you will be when you see your sizes. Say open I can see pa and it me kilo 18 cedis. Say open normal sizes now it me 16 cedis.
Ton cow leg. Okay, no young kind of.
Oh well no so I do so ho ye wo de ya hye ye wo de ya toto ho de da. And no kilo ni 10 cedis. And I look at the yen share ho so it me 9 cedis a kilo. Yeah, me wo gizzard no one pack no me 13 cedis. And a sausage you know so me 6 cedis for one.
Akese ni bia na nketo an.
Akese no so ye de we obo de 13 cedis. And nketo an chicken one no ye de no man for 6 cedis.
It is no own your man okofa. Me fan say times be okofa no weekly, monthly and all anything.
Me almost every day bia me fanyama. Almost every day.
Just a honey or hotspot pa.
Yes, because you told the pa na yo amanso fish ama no kilo near 11 cedis a kilo. Yeah, it's like a cassava fish.
Cow meat. When you like only meat, boneless is 12 cedi a pound. Bone in is 11 cedi a pound. So some people used to call it kilo. So the kilo is 24 cedi a kilo.
For the boneless?
Yes.
And how about that with the bone?
That with the bone is 24 cedis a kilo. The bone in is 22 cedi a kilo. The boneless is 24 cedis a kilo. Yeah, for the special cow meat.
And you said that you take the head and the intestines to some people who sell those specifically. Do you charge them for that?
They buy it from you and go and sell it.
So how much do they buy it for?
They can buy it when some like the stomach thing, some at 300 Ghana cedi, 400 Ghana cedi, 200 Ghana cedi. It depends about the sizes.
Olokan it on 5 cedi. And I'm actually say buttons 5 cedi.
5 cedi.
5 cedi. And so beto obekan so mekanyama.
When you say keto no?
50 pesos. No more. Any 1 cedi. And more kind so niensa 1 cedi. Almost the coffee a cotton.
Now how about a dry one?
No so Olokan 150. Oloka. And half no 5 cedi.
And now what you trying?
50 pesos. Any 1 cedi.
And now liquid one there.
Liquid one also. Obinmu upe 1 cedi ametiama. Upe 5 cedi ametiama. Obinmu de yasulunti. Obiba. Obeka si meto 5 cedi. Obiba nso obeka si meto 2 cedi. 3 cedi. Onu sumi tom di mawo.
Acho baako 50 pesos. Miensa 1 cedi.
It's smooth in rough.
Ah, pacho me nyina.
Now we ne point to about.
Pacho no is 6 cedi.
I know it's 6 cedis. And now alone can
5 cedi. 5 cedi near or 3 cedi there or 5 cedi there, 2 cedi there. Near who I want to be to me.
We spoke to content manager of Commodity Analyst House, Esoko Ghana, on the change in trend to get better insights. Tell us more about this third quarter in terms of prices. Let's know more about it.
Thank you. In quarter three, we realized that on the average, prices have declined by 3.9% on the average for all the commodities that we report on regular basis. And this is because, as I stated in the previous quarter, we are in the season or period where we are harvesting most of the commodities that we plant within this period, and so it is not surprising that prices are actually declining around this period.
But let's narrow it down to especially tomatoes. I mean, why is it going down? Before, in the beginning of the third quarter, we saw it a paint bucket going for 30 cedis, and then at the last end, that's somewhere September, the ending of September, we see it at 15 cedis. Why is this so?
When it comes to tomatoes, there are the factors that account for its unusual way of decline or moving its upward movement is because of how perishable the produce is. And so within the season, during the beginning of the quarter, was around when people had started harvesting around the Akomadan area, the Bono East area and all that. And so once they bring it in, it drives commodities downwards, and so the prices will drop. But once what was brought in gets finished, or people begin to buy them, and also some gets rotten, then the prices will begin to go up. And along the line within the year, we also go to our neighboring countries to bring them in, and so that is how come within certain periods the prices will move extremely high or extremely low.
Yeah, so around this time, are you saying that we harvest them from Ghana for the third quarter?
So the third quarter, yes, during some parts of the quarter we have, and actually prices are suggesting that the commodity is still down, because on the average it is around 5% lower than the previous month. And on quarterly basis, it is around, when you look at the third quarter, you are looking at something, if you compare, then we are still about 0.81% lower than what we did over the previous quarter. So on overall, prices are on the lower side within this period.
So are we likely to see it go up the next quarter, that's the fourth quarter?
Yes, definitely within the fourth quarter, we are expecting prices to go up.
That's across board? Across
board. So, because that will be entering into December during the last month, which is a festive month, and so prices will begin to move up. Also, because then a lot of the commodities that were harvested in August, September, we would have exhausted them, and so, and around that period we do not harvest crops generally within the country, and so the prices will begin to move up, coupled with the festive periods. And then this time around too, coupled with the fare increases that just came in during the last 2 weeks of September, that is also going to have an effect, will start having an effect within this last quarter on the commodities.
This has been the third quarter analysis of prices of the various markets we visited in the months of July, August and September. I hope the insight has been helpful and will assist you make some informed choices when you go to the market near you. Until we come your way same time next week, my name is Jessica Ayorkor Aryee. Now visit City TV's YouTube page, CityTube, and don't forget to like, comment and share.